Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Monday, August 1st, 2022. I hope you're doing well. I know it's been a while since I shot a video, but I've been really busy with some other projects, and this time of year our soap company is crazy busy, so I just wanted to hop on here, shoot a very quick video to let you know about my newest company called Fyer Media. Now, I wanted everything to be done with this website and our company by today, August 1st, so I could fully launch it, but unfortunately, because of my hectic schedule, some of the services that we're going to be offering are a little bit delayed, but still we have what you see here. We have domain names. All right, you can do domain registration, a bulk registration. We have hosting from cPanel to WordPress all the way to dedicated servers. We have a website builder and marketing tools. We have SSL certificates. We also have professional email services, and we'll be offering custom ADA compliant websites in the future, among many other different services here. So when everything's said and done, Fyer Media is going to be a full-fledged digital media agency. All right, we're going to be doing all kinds of cool things here. So, but I wanted to hop on here and just let everybody know about this. So if you're in the market looking for a domain name, you can get one right now for $12.99. I do understand that there are cheaper places online to pick up a domain name, but one thing that these other places are not going to top is our customer service. Okay, we have a 24/7 technical support line that you can call anytime if you have questions or need help with anything. And then behind this video box we have a live chat button, and I'm going to be taking care of all the live chats that come through here, so you'll be personally talking to me. All right, so customer support is what we're going to be known for here in the future. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know that this is what I'm up to right now. I'm focusing on building this company right here and helping all of my friends and marketing buddies, and then everyone who has a business or wants to start an online business. I want to help them as well. All right, so I love this stuff, and I'm just super excited about offering these services to everybody. So I hope you're doing well. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. You know, if you need any of these services right now, a domain name or hosting or a website builder, please consider checking us out. The link is down in the description as well, and I'm looking forward to working with everyone. So I hope you're doing well. I can't wait to see you in my next video, and until then, peace be with you.